All right. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Kosinati Mtungwa. I would like to share this video with you. This is the setup on the pound dollar that I shared on the group previously. I think I shared this on the 13th of January. 13th of January, that's when I shared this on the Telegram group, right? So if you also look on the on the what you call Facebook page, Facebook group, I also shared this setup there as well. I also shared this setup. So if you wanna see, you can go through our Facebook page and like it. You'll see there's a lot of this setup that I've shared on Facebook as well. So what we expected from this move on the pound, we expected that this is gonna just come to this order block and push to the upside and maybe give us this corrective structure that we were looking at. So apparently what this has done, it has shifted from the enterprise, shifted about 200 pips, but it didn't reach this as yet. So what happened, I know that most of the guys, maybe they've moved already to break even, so you're gonna see what it does. So let's see how did this move on the previous on these market movements. So this is what happened. If you take a look, so you can see that this has shifted about, let's see, about 200 pips. Yes, about 200 pips. It has shifted about 200 pips. So we will see if there's a possibility that this will still push to the upside and trigger the target. As it was a free signal that was that I shared to Facebook page, group, Facebook group, and the Telegram group as well. I shared these ones. So on we've got our group here, which is just a second, guys. I'll show you now. Right. On a group, on our signal group, 2020, 2021, we have this beautiful setup here, which is the USD CAD. So apparently, I just gonna share this one with you. We didn't come to lose this one, but what happened? We missed. This is the only trade out of 8 trades, if I'm not mistaken, that were posted into the group, into the signal group. Only this one that we have missed, because what happened on this one here, we had this move coming down like that, then it pushed up to this level over here, but it didn't maybe break the high, the tops here, and it came down like that. Then after this has happened, then we got this shooting up like that. So this has shooted up like that. So this is a trade that we missed. So out of 8 trades, 8 setup that were posted in our group, I mean, not pips, but setups that were posted in our group. This is a setup that we missed the USD CAD. We missed this move. So within 15 minutes, I think this has done about 110 pips within 15 minutes. So we missed this one. We missed this one. We expected that this will just drop, come and drop to the area and push to the upside. So apparently this didn't happen. So we were just watching this moving, pushing all the way up. But yeah, it's fine. This is a setup that we've got, but the rest of the setup that we have in our group, the other one that we probably didn't trigger is yet. It is a pound yen. Pound yen didn't trigger yet, but we've got the euro, the euro pound, the euro pound. We're in it. We're in profit with the euro pound. We've got a lot of trades that posted in our group that are already running in profits as well. Um, the euro US dollar as well is running fine. Is those are the trades that were posted, but some of the trades, as we always do, I make sure that I release the signal before it even happened into the group, so that this gives a leverage to everyone, even those who are working, to be able to see the setup or the signal, and able to maybe, if you know that you are busy at your work and stuff like that, you can just set up a pending order using the given values. Set up a pending order, just leave it running until it's going to trigger. So yeah, most of the trades, those are the trades that I've posted. So they trigger very well. Because I know some of the guys are not trading full time, so they are working. So if I can post a setup and say sell now, you're probably gonna miss a signal. So yeah, we're probably gonna miss that one. Yeah, right. But I make sure that if I post most of the setup that I post, you'll find that maybe it's few pips, about 20, 50 pips left for the setup to reach the actual buying or selling area. Uh, you only set a pending order, set a stop loss and everything. It gives you enough time to calculate how much you're gonna risk, so that you can adjust on your lot size and everything. So before that setup comes, it's gonna just trigger your pending order very well. So some setup, I even announce, maybe tell the guys in the group that you can maybe just leave about 5 pips before the entry, so that you can also accommodate the spread as well. Because sometimes if you put the pending order just exactly at the given price, it will come there, but it will just uh, pull up without even triggering your position. Why? Because of the spread, right? But we make sure that I give an advice for each and every setup that I post in the group. So what's nice about my setups here, it's that I post a setup. Next to a setup, you'll see that there is a video like this USD cat. You see that there's a setup with all the details. Stop loss is given there, target is given there, target one, target two. Then below the setup, you'll see that there's a video. So for you to watch, that's where I explain what exactly the bigger picture that we're expecting from the pair, and why exactly are we taking a trade from that level of which we're expecting this to be triggered at. So I think that makes it very much more uh, advanced for the guys, or more helpful for the guys to get this right. But yeah, for the fact that I leave enough space for the signals before they even trigger, it makes it easier for my people in our group for this to be able to trigger very well. So a lot of signals that I've posted in the group. So waiting them to trigger very well. It's on. If you look at this signal here, you'll see that this is a pound. This is the NZDJPY. I said sell now. This is the only signal that I said sell now. But you'll notice that we are far away with pips with this one already. We are gone with the pips with this one already. So we just waiting for this just to maybe trigger the what you call the take profit as well. But this is far already with pips moving. That's how we trade in our group. But you can see that below the video, below the signal here, there is a video that explains the signal. So right, yeah, this is the previous week that we traded, but because this week, the current, the last week, the last week, the previous week, that the week of what week is that? Let me just check them. The 20, the week that just started from the 20th of January. So we have combined the signal for last week and this coming week. So we have combined the signal. Why? Because we are approaching the end of the month already. So all the signals, I'm expecting them to run. So I gave enough signals. That's why I gave all about 8 signals to run these 2 weeks, so that next week we expect that we are out of a lot of trades. Right, that's how we trade this. If you are interested in joining our signal group, it's still open at 2,500 rands. So this is 2,500 rands. You pay the money once off. You pay the money once, and this service, it's able to run for 2 years. So you pay once, and we are going to be together for 2 years. So this is up until December 2021. So this is December 2021. So it doesn't matter when you start, but the price is still this year. So you're still gonna pay the 2,500. Even if you missed with a month, it doesn't matter. You're just going to subscribe with 2,500. This service is for 2 years up until the end of 2021. So you get these signals. You get also the video below the signals that explains exactly the video. So I think it makes it easier for a lot of people maybe to be able to learn. Some guys, they can't afford to pay for the course, but they can able to learn from what I do here. Uh, from what I the explanations that I do here, so they can able to at least pick some information from there, therefore make use of them. All right, guys, that's how we trade it. If you're interested, in the link of our group, Telegram group, is posted below this video, so it will tell you where to make your deposit. You'll find that on our Telegram group. Go to pinned messages. You'll see on the pinned messages on top, you'll see that there's details of how to where you can make your subscriptions. So that's how we are working. Then after you're done, you will see there's my WhatsApp number and my Telegram number there. Telegram link, direct Telegram link. You can just maybe send me your proof there. Then I just give you a link so that you can continue to work. So you've got access also to ask questions. If you are not sure of anything, just keep asking questions. Then we are willing to assist you. The goal here is to make money. Is to make money. Right, guys. Cheers. Have a lovely weekend. Until next week. Cheers. Bye bye.